please speak a few words about Kulkarni Sahab.
Namaskaram. I have learned meditation from Shri Shrikant Kulkarni ji. How great he was. Every day morning he was driving his car from his house to come at my residence, and at my hall he always morning teach 20 to 30 persons meditation every day. We have offered so many times something but is refused. And how dedicated that he never miss. We maybe miss, but he never miss. In the rainy season, in our open garden, beneath the tree, and the continuous raining, but he is never miss and teach meditation at every day. And for to teach meditation a single person, he can travel a lot. At this present moment, he teach meditation who are drug addicts. नशा मुक्ति अभियान के अंतर्गत ये जिन लोगों को मतलब ड्रग्स का एडिक्ट है और नशे से मुक्ति पानी है, उन लोगों की संस्था ने भी जूम पर श्रीकांत जी मेडिटेशन सिखाते हैं. कई स्कूलों कॉलेजों में ही टीच मेडिटेशन रेगुलरली. ही इज ए ग्रेट पर्सन जो कि किसी दूसरे की कमी नहीं देखते हैं, और कोई कुछ भी बोलता है तो उसको इग्नोर करते हैं और दिल से उसको माफ करते हैं. ही इज ए ग्रेट विजन. आई कैंट एक्सप्रेस इन वर्ड्स हिज ग्रेटनेस. ही इज ए ग्रेट पर्सन. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Thank you, Baba. I request Sri Kulkarni ji to give his message to all of us.
Thank you very much, sir. I am extremely grateful to my beloved Guru, Pitamaha Brahmarshi Patri ji, for bringing me to this stage. When I joined PSSM and when he accepted me as a disciple, though these words are not there in PSSM, I am using it for understanding purpose of mine as to how I have come up here. Entire credit of this becoming Brahmarshi goes to my beloved Guru Brahmarshi Patriji only. Because the manner in which he brings up all of us in PSSM, that itself is such a system that you are made up to that. He says in the beginning, in every session that he takes, that आप सबको ब्रह्मर्षि बनना है, and imbibes it in our mind, making our mind, miraculous mind, to become Brahmarshi. There is no session wherein he does not tell us that all of you have to become Brahmarshi. And he also reminds us that you are all gods, my dear gods. So that another thing which makes our mind miraculous, and we start growing up without our understanding. So in this journey from the day I joined till today, I was just feeling tremendous difference between the day one when I came and met him here in Pyramid Valley only, at the Annadana staircase, and he accepted me there. And today, such a great change in me. The knowledge that he has imbibed as the jnana, what we call, it is because the manner in which he makes it. Is not only the Anapanasati as a simple meditation that he teaches us. As he says, the meditation is definitely simple. Others have made it complicated. But when it comes to the knowledge, the jnana, whether it's a knowledge from Bhagavad Gita or Bible, every knowledge he makes it so simple, you can't imagine. Very small, small sentences, he will tell it, make a concept of it, and afterwards he will ask us to say. Even the greatest complex like Brahmasmi, which we have been hearing, knowing right from childhood, all of us. Aham Brahmasmi we hear so many times. We read everywhere. But the manner in which he has brought up these things, in his session he makes you say 11 times, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. And that makes the miracle. And that is what I copied from him and started it when I teach meditation class. When I find in meditation people have gone to the deep inside, then the same thing I do. I say myself, Aham Brahmasmi. And all of the people have afterwards shared their experience that they are feeling that energy, they are seeing so many things, they are seeing that Brahma energy completely. So this is the way our beloved Guru has brought up us like a child to Brahmarshi and making us feel that yes, you are a God. And this is how now we are going to spread all this energy and making his dream true of vegetarianism and teaching meditation throughout the world, which is proved since last year 20, in this 21, that our meditation learners are increasing manifold with the help of this change of dimension. That is, when we use Zoom, as our Guru says, we change to the 5th dimension. And all that energy goes to them. They are sitting, we are talking at our home through this Zoom, teaching them something, giving some knowledge, and also guiding the meditation. But sitting in Mumbai at Mulund in my home, and everybody who is conducting this Zoom, it is definitely that 5th dimension by which our energy reaches, the knowledge reaches all over. This is how he has taught us to come into the 5th dimension and also bring all the learners of meditation to bring them very fast into 5th dimension. This is the miracle. That is why I say our Guru Patriji has changed his role now, and I look at him. Initially I was looking at him as a Buddha, but today I look at him, what I see in him is a Krishna. Because Krishna comes when there is a change of yuga. And this is the time of changing the yuga from Kali Yuga to Satya Yuga. That dimension change, yuga change, and that's how that time Mahabharata happened, so many people left their bodies. Today, the corona is continuously coming, and all over the world, more than that, the people are leaving their bodies. And at this time when people started feeling the pain or suffering, he started teaching us immediately the concept of no death. We are souls. We are body. No, we are souls, not a body. But the manner in which he taught us so simply, that we have seen the demonstration. The Shastri family has demonstrated it, that death is a celebration. That's how I feel he is a Krishna. He demonstrates the principles so well, so easily, so simply, that it gets into you, and that's how he is going to make all of us as Brahmarshi. Thank you, sir. I am really grateful to you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Music, please.